So I had a recent question about the degreaser that I choose to use for a lot of the stuff that I do out here with cleaning muck and oil and all sorts of junk off small engines and whatever else I get my hands on. And what I've had really good luck with over the past, I don't know how many years, is Purple Power. Now, this stuff that's in here is Purple Power. This is obviously another brand that I picked up at Walmart because they were out of Purple Power. I have not used this stuff yet, but I highly doubt there's really any difference with it. When I spray this stuff on something like a lawnmower deck that's obviously covered in grease and crap, what you want to do is just spray all around it. Let it sit for about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. You don't want it to sit too long. Then you can scrub it with a brush or some sort of abrasive pad that's not going to damage the paint or whatever's on it. And generally it cleans up stuff really, really well. In fact, when I refurbished this thing, I used this on it, and this whole bottom part here was just covered in grease and grime and oil and dirt. Of course, it's dirty again now. But it cleaned it up really well, and in fact, you can kind of see some areas because I really didn't do the best job in the world. You can see where I left over some spots here, and this whole thing was just covered. You couldn't even see the green for the tray for the engine. And then the engine itself had grease and crap all over it. You can kind of see right there where I serviced the oil. But right around all the way about up to here, it was just covered in filth, and it cleaned everything up really, really well. I've used it on that thing, I've used it on the trailers, I've used it on just about everything, even my lawn tractor, and it's just worked really well for me. But I wanted to get you guys this video, and I didn't want it to be too long, but this is what I'm using, and I have not gotten into this stuff yet, but as I said, I think earlier in this video, I don't anticipate that this stuff's going to be any different. I do dilute it. I really don't use much. Maybe in this bottle I'll use the equivalent of a few tablespoons and kind of go from there. You definitely don't want to use a whole lot of it because it's really, really strong, and you don't need a whole lot of it either. In instances like this, more is not better. It'll actually cause you a lot more issues. And like I said, read the type data sheet for these because this stuff is not really the best stuff to get on your hands, much less in your mouth or drinking it or whatever else. So always practice safety with chemicals. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and stay tuned for more.